Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about GOAT, the brand new animated sports comedy that brings heart, laughter and inspiration together. If you love underdog stories, teamwork and amazing animation, this movie might be for you. So let's dive in. The story GOAT tells the story of Will Harris, a small goat with a big dream. He wants to become the greatest ball player of all time. Ball is a fast, full contact sport dominated by big and powerful animals, but Will believes he can compete with the best. When he gets a once in a lifetime opportunity to join a professional team, everybody diets him. His teammates don't think a small goat belongs in the league, but Will refuses to give up. The characters Will Harris is a fantastic main character. He is determined, optimistic, and never stops believing in himself. Another standout character is Jet Fillmore, a legendary player who plays a major role in Will's journey. The relationship between them helps drive the story forward. The animation. One of the best thing about GOAT is the animation. The movie creates a unique animal world filled with energy, color, and exciting sport action. The Borbol matches are fast, dynamic, and fun to watch. The matches at its core, God is about believing in yourself. The movie teaches us that size doesn't define greatness. Hard work, determination, and confidence can help you overcome obstacles. It also talks about teamwork, friendship, and staying true to who you are. What makes it special? Many sports movies follow the underdog formula, but GOAT adds a fresh twist with its animal world and unique sport. The film is funny, heartwarming, and family friendly. The voice cast also does a great job bringing these characters to life. Final thoughts. Overall, GOAT is a fun and inspiring animated movie. If you enjoy sports, comedy, or underdog stories, this movie is worth checking out. It reminds us that even the smallest person can achieve great things with hard work and belief. So, what do you think about GOAT? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.